Hi and welcome to another quick Camtasia tutorial. Today you will learn how to add some cursor effects to your video. Don't forget to check out the description of this video for some useful resources. Okay, let's go. To add cursor effects, go to the cursor effect on the left and choose which cursor effect to add. Let's add some highlighting effect and some left-click rings. You can have multiple effects added to your cursor, but a general rule is to keep it simple. So don't overdo it and you will be fine. An important thing to know is that you can add effects only to the screen recordings made with Camtasia 9 screen recorder. If you import some other video, you won't be able to add it. So make sure that you record screen with Camtasia screen recorder. After you added your effects, you can adjust properties on the right like size, opacity, color and so on. And this is how you add cursor effects to the videos in Camtasia Studio. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.